So good morning all. Today we have a ET video on analysis of thermal engineering inside a two-wheeler. So just now we have discussed a case study and we will go for the detailed analysis of two-wheeler engines. So there are a lot of things like wall timing diagram, air compressor, everything involves in thermal engineering. Thermal engineering is a beautiful subject where the students will be able to learn what actually happens when you give an accelerator, right? We are just giving an accelerator, the vehicle moves. So what is the science behind that? We have a lot of components and we have a lot of phenomena, concepts on that will be explored in this video. Yes.
Good morning. I am going to discuss about reciprocating air compressor. Reciprocating air compressor is a compressor used for the vehicle air pressuring and the movement, door pulling, and these are the main functions they are using air compressor. Reciprocating air compressor different slightly different by them. Reciprocating air compressor converts rotary motion into reciprocating motion, where the crankshaft is rotating and the crankshaft is connected to the connecting rod. The connecting rod is converted the motion into reciprocating motion, like up and down. So piston moves from TDC to BDC. TDC means top dead center and BDC is bottom dead center. When the piston is downward, BDC, the piston moves BDC to TDC, so that the air sucks from the environment, so that the air fills in the vacuum, so that when the pistons move from BDC to TDC, the air pulled out in the delivery chamber, so that we can able to receive the air on the delivery chamber. But in some amount of air in the cylinder, so that the cylinder again go to BDC. So this process is repeated multiple times. The component included in this like crankshaft, connecting rod, and piston and cylinder. These are the three main components in this reciprocating air compressor. Thank you.
So it's a wonderful instrument in thermal engineering because we need somewhere higher pressures of air, we need lower pressures of air. So when we go for inflation of air or movement of any loaded parts or by an assembly line, we have a lot of robots that is powered by pneumatics. We need this air compressor. Yes.
Good morning everyone, I am Jerama. I am going to explain about the heat transfer of engine. The heat transfer of engine in different kinds. One type is the air coolant of the engine. It is the process of the cooling the engine by the air cooler. It converts the all heat to air cooler. The air cooler is, in case if we open the air cooler, it will blast on ourselves. It will affect ourselves, and the heat transfer to the other particles like exhauster and brake pad.
Okay. So what he is trying to explain is heat transfer inside the engine. So this is very important that a lot of vehicles will have something called as temperature analog meter. Okay. So in that temperature analog meter, you will be able to see the temperature going higher or lower. Yes.
Good morning, I am Ganesh. I am here to talk about 4-stroke petrol engine. 4-stroke petrol engine has four strokes: suction stroke, compression stroke, power stroke, exhaust stroke.
What about you?
Good morning, I am Pradeep. I am going to walk the diagram. So, 4 types of heat: suction, compression, expansion, exhaust.
So all timing diagram involves from top inlet valve open, inlet valve close, and exhaust valve open and exhaust valve close. How much it takes, the time is very important. And what about the yourself?
Myself, Tanusri. I say most test. Most test is the method that determine the indicate power of the cylinder and multi-stage cylinder too.
Okay. So most test is to check the indicator power, brake power, and all everything, the efficiency of the engine. So it is a very interesting subject to explore more. We will explore in the next video. Thank you. And completely going into the thermal engineering, you come across some materials. So we will also join that thermal engineering components into materials, how it works. For example, piston is made up of which material in India? Aluminium alloy. Why aluminium alloy is chosen?
Because it is not corrosion and erosion resistant.
It is a corrosion resistant material as well as.
Erosion resistant.
Okay. Then.
That's why you can using
It is lighter in weight. Aluminium is always lighter in weight because the engine's capacity or the mileage of the vehicle depends on the total engine. That is what. So likewise, we can have a lot of components in the vehicle. For example, in tires, what we use, what material is used? It is a rubber, right? Why we use rubber? Because of friction between the road and the tire. Okay. So likewise, you explore a lot of materials. Thank you.